You can turn any outing into an adventure, especially when there are mermaids in the nearby pond. Interesting. Do you think they like soda? Let's find out. We have our fishing rod, but hold on. We need the perfect bait. Done. Come on, mermaid. Wow! Vanilla Coke? We don't have that under the sea. I think I caught something. Let's pull as hard as we can. Oops! It worked. This is just like a fairy tale. Wow! But this is real life. Don't even think about trying to escape. But the mermaid doesn't seem too pleased with this turn of events. Hey, come on! At least be nice. Dry land can be a lot of fun, but we have to get there first. That won't be too easy. I can't do it by myself. Time to call a cab. Wow! Fast service. You didn't warn me you'd have cargo. And such an oversized load, too. How are we going to fit it in here? Let's try the trunk. It's a little small. Watch the tail. What about in here? But Nikki isn't very comfortable in the back seat either. Amateurs. Any experienced driver knows that if something doesn't fit, all you have to do is crack a window. Okay, we're good to go. Wave your tail to the subscribers, Nikki. Here we are. Make yourself at home. I don't see any water here, but I do see all the signs of mermaid craziness. Oh, my God. Where am I? Oops, too much. But there's still a lot of weirdness in this room. Where did you get that map?
Hey!
Oops, that's unnecessary too. You're imagining things.
Hey!
What's that? I think the lack of water is taking its toll. No! Nikki needs water urgently. Oh, thank Neptune! Her tail is in the tub, but she seems like she might still be in shock. Hey, wake up! This spray bottle is working wonders. Our guest seems to be coming to her senses. Wow, what is all this? She got so excited about her new toy, but it can't last forever. I know. Hello, can I place an order? We need a pool ASAP. Wow, that was fast. Is that a mermaid? Hey there, I can't believe it. Shh. Yes, but it's a secret. You shouldn't be so nosy, and you should get going anyway. Time for the hospitable hostess to inflate the pool. It's so big. Looks great, but where are we gonna get the water? Be patient. I'm working on it. That's not much. This would probably go faster if we had a bucket. Or would it? The hose would probably do the trick. Yay! So much water. This is amazing. Nikki is really feeling at home now. This is all delightful, but the mermaid is a little hungry. Say no more. Here you go. A huge inflatable donut? Is it good? Hey, don't eat the inner tube. We have real food on the menu. This is just a floating table. Caviar and sushi rolls? Are you out of your mind? I can't eat my friends. This is outrageous. Oh, how awkward. Moving on to plan B. How about this, Miss Picky?
Hey!
Seaweed salad? That's more like it. Finally, something to eat. Hey, don't eat with your hands. Here you go. A comb? We're supposed to be having lunch, not getting our hair done. You people are weird. No, it's a fork. This is how you eat. Oh, is that right? Useful. I think it tastes even better this way. Okay, maybe it's not so bad out here. It's a good time to chill near the pool. What? Unbelievable!
Wow.
Can you believe he asked me out? He did what? Who? No time to explain. We just have to go there together. All right, time to start getting ready. The makeup is ready to go. Should we put some on? Yeah, but let's use mine. You can start with this Ocean Pearl highlighter. Whoa! And a few drops of sea breeze. Wow! Do you need help with your makeup? Oh my gosh! A mermaid is doing my makeup! I can't believe it! Okay, I think we're ready. I can't believe it! You're a real pro! Now we just have to pick out outfits. What do you think of this? It's brilliant, but something's not right. What kind of dress is that? Oh no! Not scales! That's awful! I'll take this one. What about this look? Wow. You look amazing! All you need is some jewelry. Go with sea-themed for good luck. The date is going great so far. Cheers, gorgeous! Whoa! I think he likes you. Liana's boyfriend is crazy about her, too. She should reciprocate. Well. How does she do it? Seems to make sense. Shall we try? Oops! Ouch! Help! There's a fish in the building! Calm down! Not a fish, just a mermaid! What a miracle! The things you see at cafes these days! And now you can stretch out a little on the dance floor! Whoa! That's some spinning! Time for a Hawaiian party! Welcome to the pool! Is that a tail in there? Guys, this is Nikki. She's my friend. Don't worry. Wow, that's scary. And the water is so cold. Oh, that's easy to fix. A little boiling water from the kettle, and we're good to go. Pool party! Yay! The guests are feeling a little uncomfortable, but the right music saves the vibes. The neighbors downstairs have no idea how much fun they are having until water starts dripping from the ceiling. This can't be good. Oops, somebody's knocking on the door. Hey, this party is too loud. Wait, is that a mermaid? Wow, that was a quick fix, which means we can keep the party going. Looks like there's a movie about a sea kingdom playing in theaters, and it's no coincidence. Well, we're here. Let's take our seats. The moviegoers seem to be in mild shock. How are they going to fit that tail in a chair? The seat really is uncomfortable. We'll have to try a different way to sit. Oh, this is too much. The neighbors obviously don't like it. Oh, it's just a couple of drops from the tail. Sigh, I miss home. I want to go back to my underwater kingdom. Hey, it's okay. Don't cry. Ah, that creature's going to flood the building. Stop it, Nikki. We'll think of something. Stop crying or there'll be a sea of tears here soon. Will you really take me home? You swear? Oh, those were just my tears? I guess this is goodbye. You can go through the sewers. They'll take you back home in no time. Bye. Parting is such sweet sorrow. Oh! What a journey! I have to report to Liana that I made it. There's a reason she gave the mermaid the phone. Oops! What's going on with it? Oh no! I got water in my smartphone. How will I get in touch with her now? What did you think of our new story? Do you think mermaids are real? Let us know in the comments. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel if you are new. Click on the bell so you don't miss anything from Troom Select.